After months of trying to get the blush pink Duna, I settled for gray because I know I already need it. So this is what it looks like. Here's the box. That looks like a better view. Yeah, Mom's gonna go put it in the car. Yeah! Hi guys. Oh gosh, I have to bend this low. So I am in the girls' room because I'm editing and I'm sitting on my like bouncy ball. And because my desk is in here. But oh my gosh, last night I really thought I was gonna go into labor. So today I made 36 weeks and 3 days. Sorry, I'm just itchy. And last night, oh my gosh, Elea was so attached to me. She was crying. Our dog was howling, so I was like freaking out. Licky was at work. He worked a night shift. And I was having so much pressure. And I've officially begun to have Braxton Hicks contractions. And oh my god, it was so uncomfortable. She would not keep still in my stomach. She was going so low. It was just so much pressure. This lighting sucks. Let's move it this way. Oh, but now you see a mess. Say hi. But my stomach is like, that's what my stomach looks like. I'm sitting on like, ow, 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 let's stop. Jeez, putting so much pressure on my arm. I'm sitting on like the exercising ball because it just takes more pressure off. It's kind of a weird angle. But yeah, I literally thought I was gonna go into labor. I was really freaking out. Nah. Damn, Roomba, what are you stuck on, homie? It's so loud. I don't know what. I think it's probably stuck on like probably a Barbie shoe. But my reusable bags came in. I'm actually gonna use this for pacifiers and for my little breast milk catcher thingy that I got. I'll show you guys. But yeah, and then this is my Zypa bag that I need to set up. Damn, why so loud? Stickers on the ground. So online, they said that this was the small. I'm glad I got a small because this thing is huge. It's really cute though. It's huge. Sorry, Roomba is loud as hell. But it comes with a key holder. Like it comes with a little changing pad. More straps. More straps. And then it's a backpack diaper bag. That's what I wanted. But look how cute it is. I think it's freaking cute. I will post what's in my newborn's diaper bag later on. It'll be in a separate video. If it's not already up, if it's already up, I'll have it linked in the bio. But isn't this cute? I think it's cute. Look who's home from school. You know, look at this. Elea banged into my candle. I gotta clean that up now. So I'm packing my diaper bag, but look at these little newborn diapers. Oh my gosh. He's so cute. They're getting their rice and their separate bowl.
Can I use some too?
You want some of that? Try it. Stop for 7-Eleven ice cream run. I wanted it all. Today is signing day. Look at me, cheese. The girls are ready. We're waiting for Licky as always. Ari, look, your shirt is all wet on the bottom. Oh my goodness. Let's hope it dries. The front bottom. OMG. Today is, what is today? Licky, what is today?
Today's signing day.
You guys ready?
Yeah,
With Lily still in there. And if everything goes good today with signing, our closing is next week, Wednesday the 12th at 8 a.m. Licky is officially a homeowner. And then we gotta rush and hurry up and clean so I can finish my nesting and get ready for the baby.
Oh, it's in here. Here's some.
We got the cashier's check on hand. Ready.
I put my ring on. I got a lot of stuff.
We got a lot of stuff.
I got more stuff than you in my bag. Oh, come over here too. Are you good? You want to come by Auntie? Come. All right, babies. Okay.
Everything's good?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. One more. Yay! Our realtor got the girls a big bag filled with a whole bunch of stuff, which is amazing because It kept him occupied. Leaky got a picture. You guys are gonna see the picture because we took pictures.
You gonna go first now, Eric? You gonna go with Daddy?
What? So our closing is now the 13th. Number 1 with the star. Yep, number 1. Push it hard, Ari. Good job. Got our picture. Got our apple cider. Because I'm pregnant. When do you open this stuff? Got some balloonsies. Got all the packet of being a homeowner and a lot of stuffs. Got Jamba Juice. As always, one kid is whining, which is Erze today because it's so thick. And now she's throwing fit because she can't drink it. Goodness gracious.
Working?
See?
No, just throw it away.
Not at that trash can because that guy look crazy. Oh, yep. Oh. Okay, let's not go there. When you have subs in your trunk, you can't fit nothing. We had to put our painting over the girls' heads because it couldn't fit in front of me.
I can fit. Look at it.
You the one who unlocked the car, Lucky. See, look how he acts. I got that on camera.
Not a guy. Don't release that.
No, but for that guy over there still yelling. Somebody offered to give him money. What he said? I get thousands of dollars. I give them all away. Yeah, that's why you like that. You give them all away to get your drugs. He's still yelling. Eating on the trash can is McDonald's. Probably found that in the trash can.
Hi guys.
So crazy.
So fuzzy.
My garlic ahi. Yummy, yummy. The Lily gets his breaded pork chops. I know he's excited for.
Special.
Oh, you eat your noodles? Yummy. Why is it so awkward? My dad brought home these bomb glazed croissants from Kamehameha Bakery, and I can't stop freaking eating them. Warmed up a bit. Let me see, who are you? They're decorating. Your Dr. McStuffins?
Yeah.
Wow. Watch out, you're gonna set off Limbo.
I can't find my headband.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. She probably would have taken it off. She's cleaning up her paper. You can't suck up paper with vacuum. Just saying it's so messy. Erzi, what are you doing to yourself? Watch out, move. I'm getting your sister cleaning.
Oh. Hi, Dad. Move.
Porcho instead of bringing the dustpan closer. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, girl.
Perfect.